Carpenter. I am the CEO of a sustainable wood manufacturing company called the Green Factory. Upon MCO, we find it difficult to maintain a healthy cash flow as we are unable to be on ground. Although some of our workers can work from home, a large portion of the manpower is unable to work as they have to be physically on ground managing materials and processes. Fortunately, recently we have received permission to work at 50% capacity. We are happy for this arrangement and are trying to manage our online sales and pending projects. Firstly, we have ramped up our digital marketing campaign and will be utilizing local e-commerce such as Shopee to give accessibility to our local clients. Secondly, we are working with our current retailers who themselves are moving towards e-commerce. And lastly, as part of our CSR, we have worked with Social Enterprise BGBG initiative in providing PPEs for frontliners. We will be donating a portion of our profit to COVID-19 relief fund. It's still too early to tell whether our contingency plan works, but we are for certain more confident than we are compared to the start of MCO. As for fellow business owners, we are in this together. My recommendation is to stay calm, study your option and see how you can utilize the digital space to serve your customer. This is the time for us to turn a crisis into opportunity, and hopefully at the end of MCO we will come out stronger together. Good luck.